Hi again from the back porch, everybody. Frosty here. Yesterday in the Frosty Flow, I told you I was headed to do some research. I was going to do some research and some homework. Because remember, back in the mid to late 90s, I made a lot of money for my clients at Morgan Stanley by using the dogs of the Dow strategy. And I asked myself yesterday morning, what if I applied this to Frosty Club, stock and sector portfolios? Remember, from the Wednesday algorithms, everything we have in those portfolios is on a downtrend signal. And so how can we stay invested and maybe reduce some of the risk by getting good covered calls and getting some dividends along the way? So the dogs of the Dow strategy is really simple. If you're an investor, you select the 10 stocks that have the highest dividend yield in the Dow Industrial Average, and 10, or the abbreviated version is you use the top 5 yielders. So I went to work, even though Kim made me press wash this patio this morning, and I got the numbers crunched anyways now, finally, late in the afternoon. Cutting right to the chase here, based on this afternoon's numbers, Friday afternoon numbers, the top 5 yielders in the ETF portfolio would be the XLE energy sector. It's yielding 3.24%. The XLU utility sector, it's yielding 3.07%. The XLPs, the consumer staples, they're yielding 3.02%. And then the SCHA small cap fund, it's yielding 2.83%. And the SPTL treasuries, long-term treasuries, they're yielding 2.28% right now. Long story short, to do a buy right on all of these 5 on today's prices, it would cost you $7,265 to buy energy, $6,480 to buy utilities, $6,885 to buy staples, $3,765 to buy the small caps, and $3,215 to buy the treasuries. That would be a total of about $27,600, round about whatever the exact quote at any given time is. Now, in the portfolio, I already own the XLEs, the XLUs, and the XLPs, so I'm just going to hold on to them and keep selling the calls against them and collect the dividends. I do not own the Treasury fund, and I think I'll stay away from small cap shit. I think it's just a little too soon again for them. But if you're looking to, start establishing a good beginner's portfolio, or you're looking to flush out some of your junk and start over again, you might want to do some of your own homework on this ideas. This will all be posted online, so you can take a look and see what I'm talking about here. The individual stock portfolio would take you a lot more cash, okay? If you wanted to do the top 5, it would cost you $41.3, and to do the top 10 would be $81.5. Now, I looked at that real close, and I thought I could get into the top 9 and stay inside my $70,000 target. I'm going to have to do some more study on that. And but just to save some room and space here, I'm not going to go through all 10 of these. All right? If you want to know, if you want the full stock breakdown, just shoot me an IM or give me an email at frostyinvestmentclub@gmail.com, and I'll send it out to you. But I'm limited for space here. Finally, I wrapped up the week this week. The only thing I closed out was the DXD, the short portfolio, and I rolled every covered call that we had expiring in this week, and I put about $780 back into the portfolio on those trades. But that just evens out some of the losses we took this week. Now, I haven't realized any of those losses. We're waiting for bounce backs there, and we'll just keep waiting on those and keep selling the calls and collecting the dividends. That's the idea behind this. Hey, let me know your thoughts on this strategy, okay? If you have any questions, if you want some more details, just send me an IM or send me the email. I'll get back to you. But it's Friday afternoon. I'm going to say have a great weekend. Happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. Have a great weekend. Frosty out.